The old man's gonna knock on the sky. Listen to the sound.
Alright, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. So I did a little bit of craft sour last night with my what I had on hand to make some fins, and I pulled it off. Got some duct tape. This is actually the roll from a Reynolds Wrap aluminum foil. My wife ran out, and this is actually got a nice thickness to it. And this, of course, is just scrap cardboard. And I filled the bottles all up to about the same mark, so they're about all the same. And I have 4 of them. I also have one without fins, so we can do a control and see how much better they drop with the fins. It's pretty windy out here today. I just checked on the weather channel. It said it was 11 miles per hour. I'm starting to believe it. 30 degrees, and I'm freezing out here. My hands are cold. So I'm gonna do obviously 4 attempts, 4 drops. We're gonna do them, start at 200 feet, and then I'm gonna see if maybe I'll move up from there. But I want to see how the fins do, and I want to see how close I can get to this bucket. So I noticed that when I was doing the editing of this video, the last one, that was kind of hard to see the bucket, and this time I got a cardboard with the bucket inside of it, so hopefully it's a little more visible from the DJI from that high up. But alright, so that didn't go so well. I made my fins way too long, so I had to cut it down and make it shorter because it kept hitting the propeller blades. I'm willing to bet my Ukrainian friends figured that out. So I have to modify all these because they're way too big. They're not gonna drop. They're gonna keep hitting propellers. I can't get it to fit underneath the Mavic. So we're gonna have to try this again, because when I did a test flight, it wouldn't let go. It just kept rocking back and forth, and it wouldn't register that the light was on. So I had to land it, and she's okay, but I'm gonna have to call it a night because I'm running out of time, and we're gonna give this another try tomorrow after I modify all of these and make them shorter so they'll fit. So we're gonna give this another try tomorrow and see what happens. All right, thanks for watching. And of course, remember, any day you get to fly is a good day.
Just let us deflower you.